fucked up too, dude.
In a different way.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. That was sick.
I kind of went too tight, but
Yeah.
I was too scared of that tree.
Oh no. Well, that's what it's there for. Yeah, he's got some redwood in there.
Oh yeah.
If you do go super far out, you want to go far out deeper. You want to apex that shit.
Yeah, I was trying to go super deep, far left.
Yeah.
So then when I come out, I can like have enough room to do whatever I want.
You want to do another uphill?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
All right.
Open sometimes.
I call it the Timu Ferrari.
All right. Y'all want to go?
What was that?
I had a big dumb fucking camera on my head. Yeah.
My kitty.
Hello.
Hello. It's kind of hot in this car.
Yeah, you're kind of hot in this car. Hello.
Oh, filming a whole ass documentary.
Yeah. Is he asleep?
You got no fucking teeth.
Shut the fuck
Pre-drift interview? Don't
I
die.
don't know what to say. Yeah, don't. Fuck you, don't die.
No time to rest. Just do your best. What you hear is not a test. We're only here to make you. We're only here to make you. We're only here to make you.
I just went for it.
Yeah. I was warming up for that. I'm like, oh, this feels very nice.
Wonderful showing today, good sir. Wonderful showing.
Smoky. That was a smoky one.
How you doing?
Can I have one of those? I'm doing great. Great night of drifting. Finally, the stars aligned, and all our cars work at the same time. Anybody got a lighter?
You're airing down?
Yeah. I need more grip.
I need smaller tires, less grip, and more PSI.
So you're like opposite from me right now.
Yeah. I think I'm way too gripped up.
It's basically like night vision, bro. It sees more than we see right now.
It's a snake. It's a snake.
You guys go in front. You're getting faster anyways.
All right. Yeah, I know how to drive stick. Unbelievable. I was going right for her. What? Thanks.
I was just watching her face going.
Yeah, right?
Where's this going?
Like it's not secluded at all.
Oh no. I mean, we don't stay out here drifting and then chill.
I definitely like a little angle on that car though. Yeah, no, exactly.